You searched how to buy shares of Silicom Ltd. This video shows the steps to buy Silicom Ltd., a company that makes high-performance networking adapters and connectivity solutions listed on NASDAQ as SILC. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SILC to find Silicom Ltd. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed stock to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's the right listing. Check the company description and that the ticker reads SILC on NASDAQ. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you'd like to invest, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. A link to eToro and the example steps is available in the description below.